Hi, I'm Dr. Drconnely, and I'm the Medical Director of South Coast Medical Center for New Medicine in Irvine, California. And I've been practicing medicine for over 20 years. And one thing I've learned, probably the most important thing I've learned in practicing medicine, is that no matter what disease I may diagnose a patient with, I don't care if it's hypertension, diabetes, chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, it doesn't matter. Detoxification is probably the most important remedy, treatment, therapy that I could possibly think of any patient to do. So people always ask me, what is detoxification? Well, detoxification takes on so many different faces. I recommend a liver flush at least every 3 months. I tell people every change of the season. Infrared sauna. I started utilizing infrared sauna in my medical practice probably about 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago. And I can't remember because one day blends into the other. But anyway, I really researched and investigated all the aspects of infrared sauna. And people don't realize, but infrared sauna has been around for over 20 years. And I would say it's probably the most important thing you could do to detoxify. First of all, you get in there in a sauna, and it's not the typical sauna that you would normally go into when you go into a health club. This is a dry sauna, and the sauna, basically you sit in there and relax. It increases your circulation, but most important, you're detoxifying all the significant chemicals that all of our bodies are loaded with. If we take any one person, we're going to find about 200 chemicals in their body. And those can be insecticides, pesticides, volatile hydrocarbons, and phthalates from plastics, gasoline byproducts. I mean, you name it, the list goes on and on. And the only way that I have found to get these toxins out of your body is through infrared detoxification. Personally, I've been using the infrared sauna for about 5 years. Interestingly enough, I have a sauna not only in my office, I have 2 infrared saunas in my office and 1 at home. And every chance I get, I like to do it in between my morning and afternoon patients because it's so not only detoxifying, but I feel refreshed. My brain gets clear. I have an extreme amount of energy after I do the infrared sauna. I even have my children, I have 3 children, and my children go in there at least once a week. And I say only one, I like to do it. I'd love to do sauna about 5 days a week if I really had the time, but unfortunately I get in it about 3 times a week. And I tell people, when I have a patient and I prescribe it to my patients, I tell them, look, just try the sauna. Do 5 sessions, like every other day. You will be hooked. You'll be addicted. You feel so much better. Well, the results that I've seen with my patients is that they physically feel better. They have more energy. Their thinking is clearer. Their skin is better. I had one patient who did the infrared therapy because she was losing weight and she didn't want that lax skin. She says that her skin, after she lost like 60 pounds, she became a sales rep for infrared saunas because of how her skin was not all lax and flabby, and it retained its elasticity. I recommend to do the sauna. Ideally, it would be 5 days a week, 30 minutes. And make sure if you do the sauna, patients need to take the proper supplementation to support detoxification, which we routinely do in our office. But I tell patients, even once a week, you are going to reap so much benefits, and you're going to get ahead of the cleansing process because we are bombarded every single day with 80,000 chemicals that are allowed in the environment. So anything that you can do to detoxify and fortify your body, you're going to be way ahead. But saunas, in the group of integrative physicians, saunas are very well accepted by the medical community and as a very therapeutic way to detoxify. Even the Mayo Clinic has infrared sauna. The sickest patients in the world can do infrared sauna therapy successfully without consequences and without bad side effects, which people are always concerned about. Even my sickest patients can successfully do the sauna. Well, HealthMate, interesting, the brand of HealthMate is found you will not ever smell a toxic substance. You have to be very careful when you buy saunas, because saunas, the wood can be toxic, the glues that they put together. So people sometimes think that they are getting the real thing and they're not. So they have to be very, very careful in the kind of sauna that you're buying. Okay. Women are on a constant quest and search for treatment of their cellulite, and there is no cream on the market that can possibly remove your cellulite, but infrared sauna will remove all the toxins so that the layers of fat cells will lay themselves down properly and remove the cellulite. And anybody who has skin problems, acne, chronic dermatitis, psoriasis, eczema, the sauna is a wonderful way to heal and detoxify the skin. And anybody who's suffering from pain, from arthritis, people who are stressed, but especially people who have fibromyalgia, chronic joint pain, they have a tendency to be cold all the time. The sauna is just an unbelievable way. It increases circulation, so therefore the pain is decreased. So it's a wonderful treatment for that.